Hey guys, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In this video, I'll show you what to do if your Google Map is not talking. I will guide you through the steps to fix this problem. So let's start. First of all, open the Google Map application on your phone. Then tap on the Google profile icon at the top right corner. Then tap on settings from the list. Now scroll down and look for navigation settings and tap on that. You will find sound and voice option here. Under mute state, make sure that you have selected unmuted option, and under guidance volume, choose softer, normal or louder option as you wish. Now if you are using Google Maps in your car and want to hear navigation from your car speaker, then turn on play voice over Bluetooth option. And if you want to hear navigation from your phone or tablet speaker, then turn off play voice over Bluetooth. And if the problem still persists after all this, then the best option is to uninstall the Google Map application and install it back from Play Store or App Store. So this is how you can fix this problem. Let me know in the comments if you found this video useful, and please like, share and subscribe the channel for more such tips. Thank you.